Hi guys, today we'll be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Recently, I discovered a glitch that makes you invisible, and my sister is playing and I want to see if I can prank her. Right now, she is on the magenta team. Let's go. Currently, I'm invisible, and since I'm invisible, usually when the water hurts me, it does not. So I'm just going to quickly walk on dangerous water all the way to my sister. Just give me a second. As you see, magenta is all the way at the end, so it takes quite a while. So the object of this game is to build a raft with the materials you have and sail down. But you see these rocks, they damage your boat. And when they damage your boat, you lose pieces. And once you touch the water, you die. So here we are at my sister's. She is quite new, so you don't know. You don't know. Hey, Alyssa, you want to speak? Hey, did you know I'm on your plot?
Wait, where? Where my seat? Get on my seat. Hey.
Hehehe. That wasn't me. Hehehe.
Yeah, it was. Hey, get on my seat. On my seat. Stop. Bro, just sit on my seat.
This is fun.
Sir. Man.
Let's take some time just to, excuse me. Let's take some time to examine her skin.
No.
How dare you? Well, I'm immune to water.
Oh my goodness.
So you see, I am invisible, and if you didn't see my sister's screen, she is really kind. She is really surprised.
Wait.
She is really surprised. Ooh, look at that person.
Wait. Ah. Oh.
Now let's go spy on some other people.
Are you working anything?
Boy, sister,
What?
quiet. Let me go sit in this person's seat and oh, come on. All right. Let's try to get white team. Actually, let's try to get blue team. You see there's in blue team is Maria. Let's hope she speaks English because yeah. There's a lot of people that speak different languages in this area, so you never know who speaks what. The water pulls you a certain direction, so trying to jump through it will either kill you and, and send you to the rocks. And but since I'm invisible, the game thinks I'm over there. When I can see everything and do everything over here. So no one else can see me, and only I can see me. Cause look, I can just walk them in this person's face, and they won't even know. Like, look at this. And you can mess with other people too. You can just sit in people's chairs and glitch them out. And if you really want to mess up them, you can just hop in their seats until you break it, of course. Then you can just tap the rockets, which won't really work. See, this person's not much of a beginner. He's already gotten all these blocks. Anyways, let's try to go on to someone else. And you see this person. What's this? See. So when you're invisible, portals and things do not work. So yeah. You can you can flick levers and like activate jets and other things. I haven't told you much about this game, so let me tell you now. So basically, there's this game where you get starter blocks. The starter blocks are wood wood and some propellers and a chair to control the propellers. And every time you get farther, you get gold. And the more gold you get, you see here in the menu, you can buy more stuff. Like this is 750 gold, this is 350, this is 4,000, which is quite a lot. There's 200, and there's like 75, 50, and others. Now let's check out green. Twilight Knight and Bone Digit. You see here, Bone Digit. They don't even know I'm here. I can just activate their harpoons and just shoot them up the floor. And I can activate the rockets. I can just activate the rockets. You see here, this is pretty funny, but not funny enough. Let's go check back on my sister. She's still on Magentas, and she kinda took my name. My name's Famous Liam 1233. Her name's Famousless 33321. He kinda did like my name, but with the numbers backwards. Well, let's check on her. Ooh, what did she get? What is she doing here? Hey sister,
What?
can I appear let's appear in your
If you come into my seat one more time, I swear.
Oh my god, someone's abducting you.
Help, please.
Quick, go to the menu.
I'm
Go
going.
to the menu and go to settings. Quickly.
I'm
And you see one of them says isolation mode. Turn that on.
okay.
And I did. I'm dead.
Where
How dare you put me into a wall?
am I?
Wait, you're in the wall too?
I'm stuck.
You see me? Oh wait, no. I see you.
Oh, I see. Wait.
Well, since I'm already like,
I'm gonna reset.
don't reset. You see? I appeared. Ooh. Well, anyways, that is enough for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.